Spots would make the perfect coffin for Patrick. Keeps he's killed. Come here. Bird's eye. Patrick gets killed, Jackie. Chicken man. Oh, I love you, chicken man. You want me back? You go around and stay kiss. You see the birdie? The birdie did. The birdie's going to get you a peanut. Wouldn't that be nice? The birdie got you a peanut? Did you put that peanut there?
Where?
Huh? Is that a peanut on the edge of his cage?
What the heck is it?
Oh, it's that thing he's been chewing up. He had some sort of a little this pet shop thing. I don't know if he got it out of a house or where it came from. He had this thing in there. It had a head and that gnawed up body and no arms or legs when I saw it. You want to live in a little pet shop? seen him poop yet?
No.
Oh, John, your toes look very tempting. Patrick, that's not nice. Be nice, Patrick. Patrick would like Apple Jacks. Here, Patrick. Want to try these? Here, Sadie, here's some for you. You don't like them? They're good. You should be on the other side, John. Why did they both have to turn their backs to you? Jackie Man wants to try them. Here comes trouble.
Oh no, 2-on-1.
Sadie.
Sadie.
Sadie. Sadie, no, no, no. Here, let's give them all peanuts. Sadie.
Sadie.
The birdie. Sadie, no, no. That's not nice. Here, let's all have a peanut. How about that? Here, look. Jackie Man, you want a peanut? Go eat a peanut with the birdie. Duchess would even enjoy this. Go get a peanut, Jack. Here.
Ever tried giving Duchess a peanut?
Oh, Duchess eats them. Remember Daddy said one time he came up and the Duchess and Jack were laying on the floor here munching away on peanuts. They had an old pile of shells in front of them. Wow, look how fine he gets his. You can make peanut butter, Patrick. Those two will go and hide to eat their peanuts. Eat your peanuts with Patrick. You better not be putting peanuts in the couch. See, these look like they'd be good for you, Patrick. Oh, Patrick went home. He probably needs a drink. How's your water, Patrick? Is it clean? Oh, it's dirty. Hey, gotta put some tricks in your bowl. Although they make tricks little balls now. You think he'd choke on that? Think you'd choke on this, Patrick? I'll give you a cup. Did they go in there? I'll get you fresh water. What's wrong with that man that loves you so much? Never give you fresh water.